type 2 now. In type 2, what it is? To find the partial fraction when the denominator contains linear repeated factors. Then for the rational function, what is the form of the partial fraction? So it is px plus q upon x minus alpha whole square. So this will become a upon x minus alpha plus b upon x minus alpha whole square. Like this. When it is a repeated factors, we have to go for this part. Second, we are having x minus alpha in the denominator and x minus beta whole square in the denominator. So this will become a upon, it is x minus alpha 1 plus b upon x minus beta plus c upon x minus beta whole square. Okay, because now what is the reason for it? Because when you are taking LCM of this one is same, LCM of this one will be same. Okay, so that's why we have to move according to this step. And similarly, last one, the quadratic part is on the numerator, it hardly matters. Okay, you just have to check the powers, the degree for the numerator and denominator, and then this step will be followed as we have done here. Now a upon x minus alpha plus b upon x minus alpha whole square plus c upon x minus beta, and then we can go as we have discussed the steps.